Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open Outlook and click the Sara icon in the ribbon to start. The add-in loads within 10 seconds and appears on the right side. Sign in with your corporate account and grant Sara the requested permissions. You will see an onboarding checklist with 5 steps to configure access. Complete the 5-step setup wizard. The whole process takes about 3 minutes. Sara then syncs your mailbox headers for fast search in about 30 seconds. Use the search bar to find messages by sender, keyword, or ticket ID. The search supports quoted phrases and date ranges for precise results. Use the Smart Actions menu to summarize, redact, or escalate an email when needed. Summaries return in about 10 seconds and include key points and action items. Export selected threads to PDF or CSV with 3 clicks for reporting or legal review. You can also tag messages with custom labels for workflows and handoffs. If sync stalls, click Resync or Clear Cache from Settings to restart indexing. Most sync issues resolve within 90 seconds after a manual resync. Enable automatic summaries for high-volume mailboxes to save about 30 minutes daily on triage. Adjust summary length in settings between short, medium, or detailed outputs. Contact support with the error code shown at the top of the Sara pane when problems persist. Include your Outlook version and network type for faster diagnostics and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.